Hello everyone, this is Sunita Suhas from Indian Yarns. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple pleated mask. This is a pleated mask. As you can see, it is a two-ply fabric mask. Two-ply means it has two layers, three pleats. So when you wear it, it stretches on your face like this. So now we will see how we go about making this mask. For the fabric, you would need a piece of fabric that is 14 inches in height and 7 inches in breadth. So this is already cut to size 14 inches in height and 7 inches in breadth. You would also need 4 pieces of cords. Each cord is 7 inches in length. So the first step is to fold the fabric in half. One side is already closed. We need to close the other side. Stitch 1/4 inch from this end to this end. So this is how it looks. The other end is closed as well. The next step would be to turn this inside out. Like so. And the next step would be to close this end and this end. And how you do that is fold this end using 1/2 inch like this. Press it with your fingers so the fabric stay in place. Do that to the other side as well. Fold 1/2 inch fabric inside. Press it with your fingers. So it looks like this now. The next step would be to attach the first cord. Insert the cord 1/2 inch inside, right at the corner. Stitch it in place by doing a reverse stitch. Now we will do the first pleat. Go over the pleat and stitch it in place. Second pleat. Go over it and stitch it in place. Do the same for the third pleat. Stitch it in place. Insert the second cord 1/2 inch inside the fabric. Go over it with a reverse stitch. So you see, this side is done. Now we will proceed to the other side. The first step would be to attach the third cord. Insert it half an inch inside. Go over it with a reverse stitch. Bring all the pleats together. Press it with your hand. Go over all the pleats. Now insert the last cord. Go over it with a reverse stitch. So here you go. Your mask is complete. This is how it will look once you stretch it on your face. It will cover your nose and your mouth completely. So this is complete. Thank you so much for watching.